Good afternoon, everybody. I'm up here with old Donald today. Messing around. Donald sitting here waiting on me, man. Donald, say quack quack. Say quack quack, Donald. Donald.
Donald, speak to the viewer.
You got some viewers that want to talk to you, Donald. Look here, Donald, here. Here, Donald.
Donald.
Machine Gun Kelly. I call him Machine Gun Kelly. Look how fast he get him. He's moving real fast. Catching him real quick. I call him Machine Gun Kelly. That's old Donald, man. I come up here just to have fun with him, you know. But that's my homie. Say what's up to the camera, Donald. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. Say what's up to the camera. He love it out here. Beautiful. I'm gonna show you some of his surroundings. It's beautiful, beautiful water out here. It goes and goes and goes. And it's just beautiful out here. We got the drains. We got beautiful everything out here, man. People out here fishing. We got the dock. You see I'm on the dock now, but houses and stuff is beautiful. With Donald, the big old clubhouse where Donald hangs out at. Donald. Hey, Donald. Come here, Donald. Got some more for you, man. Donald. Hey. Donald, what's up, man? Show him what you know, Donald. That's right. He's a healthy. I feed him real good. He's healthy. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful duck, man. All his buddies out here, they're the ones that don't like him. They're not around right now, but I can show you them later. For all my viewers, just like and subscribe. You know, this is something serious. Put Donald on the map. He needs your help. I'm sending Cash App donations, whatever it takes for me to keep him going. He's beautiful. I don't think you'll find another one as beautiful as him. Ain't that right, Donald? Ain't that right, Donald? Donald. Donald. Say what's up to the camera. Quack, quack, quack. Say what's up. Quack, quack. Beautiful. Hey, Donald, say what's up to the camera. Whack, 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 whack. Say what's up, man. You gonna speak to the camera today? Whack, 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 whack. Say what's up, bro. He must want some more to eat, but I'm showing y'all what he can do out here. He's I call him Machine Gun Kelly out here. When he hit the water out here, it's beautiful out here too. It's definitely beautiful out here. Nice windy day today. But when he hit the water, watch him now. Look at him.